So magandang araw ka, Bola. Dito naman po ilalabas na po natin. Ito po ang ating most recent po na mock draft. Patikabo nga po ng patikabo ang mga nangyayari po sa PBA. And this 2024 draft again is brewing to be much deeper actually than the 2023. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito na muna tayo sa mga news. Si Jared Brown po ng Ateneo ay hindi na rin po mabibigyan or maglalaro pa po sa next season po ng UAAP. So he will turn pro Kabola. Up to this point of this video, hindi pa rin natin alam kung siya po ba ay pupunta po sa ibang bansa. So he can still be a choice Kabola in the PBA. And looking at his stats in NCAA Kabola, I think he is a good prospect for a guard Kabola. He is a scorer, although hindi NCAA Division 1 yung nilaroan niya, pero he still put up numbers Kabola. So, kumbaga, credible na yun talaga ito. And the way we saw his game Kabola is shifty. He can score very well Kabola. Another one is regarding po Cedric Bearfield. Siya po ay natalong, no? Kung gusto ba niya or kung plano ba siya pa rin na pumasok po sa PBA. Medyo he dodged the question Kabola. I don't know what the future holds right now. Just taking it day by day. He dodged in a way na of course ayaw niya din naman mapahiya po yung current team niya. Pero in a way din, diba? Hindi pa rin naman niya sinagot din po ng diretso. Overall, we want to see him in the PBA. I think he is a very good talent. Nakita na natin kung ano pong kaya niyang gawin. And he actually enjoyed his time when he played here through EACL Kabola. So we are hoping that he will be a part of the PBA soon. And last one, let's talk about the current standings kung saan Converge is at the bottom together with Blackwater, but we want Converge to be at the lowest point Kabola kasi we want them to get the top 1 pick kasi they are an independent team at sa 1 na po tayo na makita ang Blackwater o Terra Firma holding that number 1 pick. Ikaw ba? Hindi ka ba nagsasawa Kabola, diba? So still though, it's still very sad. Terra Firma, Blackwater, nandyan na naman sila. Terra Firma will now give his first elimination dito sa kanilang number 1 pick Stephen Holt Kabola. Sana makabawi sila sa Philippine Cup Kabola, pero overall we are rooting Converge na makuha po yung number 1 pick. So simulan na natin itong mock draft. So this is a very deep draft, Kabola. I'm pretty sure you're hoping that your favorite team will get the top guys. We will see. So may